Less than 2 weeks ago, we had a vent appearing near the vent we called Narlet. This new vent was called Narniño, a small Nar, and it looked very similar to something that appeared later, and now we call it Titch. This appeared yesterday, and the Titch was looking almost the same locality, the same zone, the fracture zone that I've mapped already once. And let me just investigate this any further. This is the Narniño. I positioned my measuring bars in somewhere that is critical, right, left, center, and the other point. The same here I will do for here. And then I superimpose these two together, and that's the result. Narniño and Titch are different. As you can see, they're different vents, different positions. We came to the conclusive evidence that they are different. Narniño and Titch are not the same.